The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Problems Dealing with the Percentage. Example, 2.3 percentage of 45. Let us find out 2.3 percentage of 45. First, let us convert the percentage into a decimal. When you convert the whole number 2 into decimal version, it becomes 0.02. As we already have 0.3 in the decimal portion of the number, that may be added to the right of 0.02, making it as 0.023. That is, two decimal digits are accounted for 2 and one decimal point accounted for 0.3. Now 0.023 becomes the multiplier and 45 becomes the multiplicand. For the purpose of calculation, we can consider 23 as the multiplier and 45 as the multiplicand. As there are 3 decimal points in the multiplier, the result should have a provision for 3 decimal digits. Let us take the multiplier 23 and multiply the same with 45. Let us set the multiplier in the extreme left of the abacus, that is 2 in the extreme end and the number 3 to the right of it. For setting the multiplicand, we have to count the digits of the multiplier, that is 2, add it with the digits of the multiplicand, that is 2, add one column for the abacus, which makes up the number of digits to be considered for setting the multiplicand as 5. Therefore, we have to count 5 columns from the right of the abacus and set 45 from the 5th column, that is 4 in the 10,000s column, followed by 5 in the thousands column. Let us start multiplying now. We have to repeat the procedure that in the multiplication, the first step is to multiply the lowest digit of the multiplicand with the highest digit of the multiplier. Therefore, let us commence the multiplication of 5 of the multiplicand with 2 of the multiplier. The result is 10. That means we have to set 1 in the immediate right of 5 in the hundreds column and 0 in the tens column. We have to remind the child that the next addition of number should start from the tens column where we have ended the last operation. Now let us multiply 5 with 3 and the result is 15. We set the number 1 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Now the multiplication of the digit 5 of the multiplicand with the multiplier 23 is over, and therefore we clear the number 5 from the abacus, which clears way for setting the results of the multiplication of number 4 with the multiplier. Let us start multiplication now by multiplying the number 4 with 2 of the multiplier. The result is 8, which should be treated as 0. 8, that means 0 added in the thousands column and 8 added in the hundreds column. Now let us multiply 4 with 3, that is 12. We have to add 1 with the already existing 9 and 2 with the number 1 in the tens column. In the hundreds column, where we have the number 9, there is no bead left, and therefore we have to add 1 bead in the thousands column. That means we have added 10 instead of 1, therefore we have to clear 9 in the hundreds column. Then we move to the right to the tens column and set number 2 with the already available 1, which makes it 3. Now that the multiplication of the digit 4 of the multiplicand with the multiplier is over, we can clear the digit 4 from the abacus. The result is 1035. That is 1035. You have to apply the decimal point rule. The 23 we used as the multiplier is part of 0.023, and therefore we have to earmark 3 digits in the result as the portion for the decimal digits. That means the decimal point should be counted from the right of 1035, which will bring the decimal point between 1 and 0, and therefore providing us the result 1.035. Therefore 2.3% of 45 is 1.035.